Coming to dorsal spinocerebellar or posterior spinocerebellar tract, their important function is they carry unconscious kinesthetic impulses to the cerebellum which are essential for regulation of body posture. The first order neuron arises from the muscle spindle, joints and the skin. It enters the spinal cord via DRG and makes a short ascent in the dorsal funiculus of the same side, then terminates in the Clark's column of the cells, which is nucleus dorsalis. The second order neuron arises from the Clark's column, and it proceeds up through the dorsal spinocerebellar tract of the same side and reaches the medulla. In medulla, fibers enter the inferior peduncle of the same side and end in the vermis of cerebellum, from where the third order neuron arises. Third order neuron arises from the vermis of the cerebellum, and its axon pass to the anterior and posterior lobes of the cerebral cortex, which forms third order neurons. Ventral or anterior spinocerebellar tract. So their function is same as that of dorsal spinocerebellar tract. They carry unconscious kinesthetic sensation. The first order neuron arises from the muscle spindle, joints and skin. It enters the spinal cord via DRG and terminates in Clark's column, that is nucleus dorsalis. From there, second order neurons from the Clark's column, most of the second order neurons cross to the opposite side and some remain uncrossed, and it proceeds up via ventral spinocerebellar tract of the same side and extends up to the level of red nucleus in midbrain. At red nucleus, fibers turn sharply backwards and downwards and then enter the superior cerebellar peduncle of the same side and end in vermis of cerebellum, from where third order neurons arise. Third order neurons arise from vermis of the cerebellum and goes to the anterior lobe of the cerebral cortex, which forms third order neurons. So this diagram shows the dorsal and ventral spinocerebellar tract. From the Clark's column, the dorsal spinocerebellar tract, they are going to enter into the inferior peduncle to reach to the cerebellum. They reaches the vermis, then they are going to reach to the anterior and posterior part of the cerebellum, whereas the ventral spinocerebellar tract, the most of them, they are going to remain uncrossed. Many of the fibers, they are going to reach to the superior peduncle, and then they are going to reach to the vermis of the cerebellum, from where the third order neurons, they are going to the anterior part of the cerebellum, and some fibers, uncrossed fibers, they are going to reach to the opposite cerebellum.